Are there any freshers? Freshers?
Why? What's the reason?
No. Actually, just I have to discuss some doubts regarding to this that I
Yeah.
can get connected with them.
No. You can ask me. I'm there, right?
Yes, sure, sir.
Tell me.
Okay. No, actually, the thing is what the actually I'm a fresher. So
See, Kultraj,
yes, sir.
this particular deliverable, what I am delivering,
Yes, sir. Yes.
is for all. You are going to be part of what? In the means of a documentation down the line.
Yes, sir.
And you will be involved as per the your senior is going to give you the instruction.
Oh, yes, sir.
If your senior is there in this particular training,
Yes.
he will be looking from his experience point of view, and
Yes.
he will be giving a responsibility to handle the individually or as
So
a team, right?
so while completing this task, if I get any queries, so can I ask you or can I call you?
Yeah, why not? See, the COPD, you don't need to think about me alone. The
Okay.
COPD is going to give you support for 12 months after you get placed. That is
Yes,
for
sir.
true.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, don't worry about it. First, learn the subject.
Yes, sir. Yes, sure.
Now,
Thank you, sir.
am I done?
Yes,
No,
sir.
thank you,
Hi,
Sridhar. I got it.
Sridhar.
Yeah,
Hello.
furthermore, yes,
Yeah.
who is?
So the thing is that like one of my interviews, the HR had asked me like what software we use for creating these use case diagrams.
MS
Uh,
Visio.
okay, and Balsamic.
That is for creating the wireframings.
Okay.
When
So
you
we'll
want
be
to create a wireframe, the static point of view, we use Balsamic. When you want to use some kind of a navigation point of view, you use a Azure.
okay, and we'll be working on this MS
Yeah,
Visio. Okay,
yeah, you will be
okay.
given tools also to you to work on it, your capstone projects.
And the second question which I was unable to answer was like a different kind of analysis technique used by a BA for the requirement gathering. So
Elicitation there are elicitation techniques are there depending upon the requirement.
okay,
Right.
so is that part covered or will be covering it in future?
No, yet to cover.
We yet to cover on this.
Yeah, why? Because they all comes under requirements engineering.
Okay,
Mostly
okay.
you'll be covered next week.
Okay. And my third question is, we have done something include and exclude in this UML diagram. So how are we going to differentiate between these two, like what to include, what to exclude, like how?
See, what to include, what to extend means, as I already discussed in the ATM application, when you want to withdraw cash from your ATM account, from your bank account, you are going to give you some input, right?
Yeah.
For example, you want to withdraw 5,000.
Yeah.
Will that bank is going to give you 5,000 immediately without verifying you have a value or you have an amount or not in your balance?
Yes.
No, right. That means when you're initiating a withdraw functionality, it will call inherently what amount he's having in his account. That means it is verifying your available cash balance.
Okay.
If that available cash, we immediately check that okay, this guy is having 20,000, then it will give you 5,000. Okay. If your account is having 4,000, it will not give you 5,000. It will revert you back that insufficient funds.
Okay.
That means that check availability of your cash balance is what is to be inherently called within your request. What is your request? Withdraw cash.
Okay.
So there is called a include relation.
Okay.
End of the day, when you want to go to end of the particular functionality, it will ask you, do you want a print receipt? If you say yes, it will give you a receipt. If I say no, it will not give you, right? That means print receipt is an optional behavior.
Okay.
That means it is going to be called up represent the means of an extend relation.
Okay, got your point.
Okay.
Got your point.
So
in this use, where we are going to include this use case diagram, in which document?
In a functional specification document.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Sir,
I have one question.
can you go to first slide,
Yes.
sir? Actually, the case study one, I have missed that one. Can you
Okay.
summarize this one little bit, sir?
See, this is where we call it as a conflict management. One, those guys are saying that they don't want a common requirements.
Yes, sir.
But from our point of view, we feel that it is they require a common requirement.
Yes, sir.
But these guys are not agreeing because they are very much stubborn.
Yes, sir.
Then we have to look about there is a cause, right?
Yes, sir.
Why they may be stubborn? Because they may be very good in their subject, but they are lacking of cooperation. So
Yes.
to handle such people when they are having a high level of knowledge, definitely even their organization will not touch them. Okay, it's a sensitive issue, right?
Yes.
So in such people, we cannot directly handle them. We have to come up with a strategy. So once they are conflicting that this is not their agreeing, and we are very much convinced that this is required, now let's take a pain. Let us take some effort and come up with two prototypes. One is as per our suggestion is concerned, our proposal is concerned. Another one is as per their requirement is concerned. And make sure that if I go with our 15% common requirements proposal, this is how it's going to be added value to the project. If we go according to your requirement, this is how it's going to be negatively impacted. And prepare these two. And the problem is with conflict is between these four guys. You address these four guys exclusively and pull the rest of all the team and the main decision makers in the CC and showcase this and ask them, you tell us what to do, we'll move forward. Now, who is going to take up the call? Those guys. Who are those guys? 4 divisional managers.
DMs.
Okay, 4 divisional managers, right? And
Yes.
whatever now they decide, we'll go with them. If they ask us to go to still with prototype 2, we'll go. But tomorrow, if anything goes negatively, are we responsible?
No.
No. That means we are very clear about our approach. Because all the time we make our team to be in safer mode. And this is a kind of signing off from a client with respect to the requirement is concerned. Got it?
Got it, sir. Oh, if the other the DMs whatever they are saying na different one, if it is effective one, we have to go with that one only, right?
Yeah, if they're very strict about that, yes, you need to go 15%, all 100% different, you'll go. If any impact is going to be negatively addressed, we are not going to be the responsible people, right? Because we have a proof with us. The documentation proof is there, right?
Okay.
That's the reason we're saying that improper requirements gathering. We all come under that category if you don't take a signing off for this.
Yes.
Okay.
We have to document this.
Yeah, we need to. Just got a way of documenting. Yes, someone asked me something.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I missed the initial part of this session. So, can you just share? Can you just give me a difference between?
That's what I said. What do you want?
BRD and FRD.
See,
BRD and FSD. Sorry.
BRD means the requirement which a business perspective is means you're looking for a business growth, and for that you are looking for an IT application so that you can address the growth.
Okay.
That is going to be kept in the BRD. And to address that particular IT solution, or whatever the business requirement is, they are going to be addressed by concerned stakeholders. For example, you are, as I said earlier, you are going to want to improve your sales. And for that, you are addressing one kind of an application at the time of accepting payments. Then, who is the stakeholder responsible for payments? Cashiers, right?
Correct.
Then, as per the cashier's input, I need to address the requirements. So, those cashier's inputs are going to be addressed in the user requirement document. With the help of this business requirement document, user requirement document, we are going to address the functionality, means there are the solution. In that solution, one is we'll see the flow of the solution. That flow is we represent the means of functional specification document. That is going to be addressed by the technical head.
Okay, okay. So, so as a BA business analyst, we need to, prepare this FRD.
FRD we will not prepare, but we will be assisting the technical guys.
Okay, okay.
If you go with this, if you go with the small size companies, the PM will ask us to do that.
Okay, okay.
The reason is we are better than those guys for that.
Okay, okay. So mainly we prepare the only BRDs.
BRD and UR.
Okay, yes, yes. Got
Okay.
it. Yes.
Okay. Then. Okay. Shall we meet tomorrow? Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Whatever the functionalities we are addressing, we need to address end to end. Yes. Why? Because if we are assigned one module, we have to finish that. Okay.
So last question.
No. See, for use cases, we are going to check with the project manager. Once we are checking with the project manager, he will get some doubt. We need to address that doubt. If suppose that for that doubt we don't have an answer, we have to check with the client. Got it? Yeah. Either project manager or the technical head who are new. No. How it is possible? See, who we are to talk about the technology, right? There we have to go with those guys on. Okay? No. It all depends upon, see, generally the timing will be taken based on the functionalities. We have a standard noun, but we'll fall in that noun sound. See, here still I have, there's a lot of journeys there, I'll let you know, because it's too early to answer. Okay, I'll tell you by tomorrow you can understand this, right? Okay. Right?
Sir, just sorry.
Sir,
Last
sir,
question.
about the recorded sessions.
No, you will get all
can...
these recording sessions after my sessions over. You'll be getting a YouTube credentials from the corporate library, right?
Okay, after completing all sessions.
My sessions only.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, in the last PPT, so in this UML, so you have mentioned that this is an extend line. So can you just can you just share me what is the meaning of this extend? I didn't got that actually.
Extend means optional behavior.
Okay.
That means if you take here, this return change is not for all the case, right? Only when there is some value input more than 18. If the money inserted is more than 18 only, this return change will act. If you insert XR 18, will the return change will act?
Okay.
No, right. So it is an optional behavior represented by the means of an extend relation. Got it?
Yes, got it.
See, in the exam, in the project practice, you'll be learning. Here now I gave you one case study, right? What is that case study? It is a thing you need to address based on the inputs available. Okay. So this is the one I asked you to address. That tomorrow I'll discuss, right? Okay. Okay, child. Thank you. Good night, all of you. Is it okay? Shall I sign out? Thank you.